This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Wow, Bitcoin just poured down out of an ascending triangle. Hit the like button if you heard the video yesterday. Pay attention to what I said to you yesterday in the video. Hit the like button if you got this, please, especially VIP. Confirming as resistance. I would not blame any trader at all who said I'm going to sit this one out. In spite oh of yes, indeed. Telling you guys, telling you, we were up against a line of resistance. It was tough. Very tough. We're going to go through some details today. Smash that like button. I want to hear it from the VIP in the comments. What do we do, guys? Today we traded. We killed it. We did a great job. VIP just killed it. Before I go through this fractal, and I want you to know the 4-hourly time frame. This is the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, I want to shout out to our new VIP, Big Mike from the Philippines. What's up, Mike? Excited to have you in VIP. But the 4-hourly expressive of the bear flag with the ascending wedge. Now, you see that entire range repeated here. However, on the 30-minute, let's zoom in. Let's go all the way down. Take a look at this, guys. This is Fractal in the works. Look, the same exact pattern, the same exact features, the rising channel with the rising wedge here on the macro. Looking at this, the rising channel with the rising wedge. Bitcoin, I say all the time to the VIP, she's talking to the traders. Are you listening? Are you watching those comparatives? In terms of TA, this is London. Former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC and not financial advice. Let's take a look at the returns today in VIP and welcome again, Big Mike from the Philippines. We're excited to have you. Look at Venus today, 510% booked. Boom, on a long. That's the way to trade Venus. Way to go. Then 240% on a short. Unbelievable. But we know you can do it. Venus, congratulations. 158%. That would be the big guy. J-Mac. Way to go, J-Mac. Now, 104K. Well, $104,000. Then a short for $25,000. Yes, I wanted to let you know the move today to the upside was worth over 100 grand. Then there was a nice short there for about 25. Congratulations to all the VIP trading. Don't, guys, do not, please, I just want to spell it out, do not, and this was the short I caught for that 25, do not emulate these trades if you do not have the skill set. If you want to build a skill set, hey, just like Big Mike today that joined VIP, we're looking for the number ones, guys, the guys who want to be number one in this field. In terms of crypto trading, that's the only requirement for VIP, that you want to beat the market. You guys join up today. Congratulations to anyone who had that heads up. In terms of just a difficult area, let's retalk this. Let's discuss this. I'm on the 77-minute, my favorite time frame. We'll go to the hourly, no problem. But looking at this specific feature, and yes, guys, the 77 is a nice, not trick card up the sleeve, but look how nicely it lays this out. Level of support to that confirmed resistance. We are crawling the wall right here. Now, I'm going to say the save. Let's talk about the save so far. Any distinctions that we have between the macro, right, on the right-hand side. You guys know this is London, Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and not financial advice. You know that, guys, but we're excited about Bitcoin. It's not even a security, so couldn't be financial advice if we wanted it to be. Now, in terms of this pattern formation, one distinction that we have thus far, okay, the macro on the right-hand side, the micro on the left-hand side, is that the buyers have come in on this specific, and please pay attention, the buyers have come in thus far, I'm going to say thus far, the buyers have come in to recapture the body of this rising wedge. So I can lay this out a little differently on different time frames, etc. You'll definitely see that the buyers have stepped in a bit to try and recover this specific wedge. That didn't occur on the macro time frame. On the macro, so as we distinguish the fractal, guys, this is where we're at right now. We already have a distinguishing feature. However, the same challenge, the same trade is laid out to the traders as it was here, rising wedge. Boom, to the downside. We're in that same dynamic now. I will tell you the following. Please pay attention to this in terms of, let me find if I have gotten, there we go, guys. The key to the game. I'm going to tell you, we have downside targets, we have upside targets. The masters at the on the moves right now. And I'll tell you, why did we quit? I'm going to talk about this, very important. Let's look at the left-hand side. Why did we quit those longs, Venus? Well, let's talk about this. That 100,000 plus trade, the short back to, etc. How did we come to the conclusion that there was a lower area of interest. We had an ascending triangle in this zone that VIP were very well aware of. You guys know this. Look at this. Let's look through this in the back. Where are we at? Where was this? Where was that heads up that I gave you guys? We hit some targets. We've been trading in the back, but I would need to go through this very quickly to show you. Here it was. Here was the heads up. Look at this ascending triangle with the arrow there. This is VIP, guys. Check it out. Order stack below it, prior flat top of any ascending triangle. While we were up and away, breaking out in the ascending triangle on the macro, look, we see over 75 to 85% of pattern ascending triangle return to prior flat top. Boom. That's VIP, guys. That's what we do. And I tell you, we look at patterns. We look at thousands of patterns. We don't just say statements. We look at thousands of patterns, not only on Bitcoin, also on NASDAQ, on the Dow, on S&P. Guys, we're the highest caliber group that there is in crypto. I know this for a fact. Over 130 VIP the first month. We have trimmed down, and guys, we have gotten lean and mean and full of traders that want to beat the market. So what I'm going to tell you, let's get back to the discussion in terms of the MACD. I'm going to tell you the daily has got a thorn in the side of the bulls. Bottom line, this daily, down on the bottom left there, you just see it's just negative. That's the bottom line. I've been discussing this. If we can get this to roll in line with the weekly, in line with the 8-hourly, in line with the early effort given on the 4-hourly, you guys get this. We have got to get this daily. And we got to get a solution to it. I'm going to tell you guys, in order to get up and out, in order to really move, and as long as that daily is digging, guys, below, we have some problems. Bottom line for the bulls. So the 30-minute, again, has been consistent. It's played quite well. The hourly hasn't been too inconsistent, but I'll just say that I prefer on the 30-minute. We've gotten some nice wave action. We'd like to see that repetitive wave action in MACD and price to follow along therewith. I recommend that each and every person, and shout out to Big Mike from the Philippines. New VIP. What's up, my man? Welcome to VIP. Some people talk about it. Other people hit the button and they join. Some people, I'll join. Hey, Big Mike from the Philippines. He's in the house. I'll update your picture soon, my man. I'll update your picture soon. The 1 minute and the 5 minute are good for breakout. 30-minute good for wave to price correlations. And the hourly, I'm just going to tell you right now, my key focus is on this daily MACD. It's got to move. For me, it's got to move. I want to see confirmation. I want to see agreement between all of the time frame MACDs. Bottom line, guys, with me, I want to see that confirmation. High probability trades is what we're after. So, yes, we did. Boom. Look at that return. Bam. That was a big move, wasn't it, guys? That was a beautiful move for VIP in the back that we were discussing. But boom, look at that. That's VIP, guys. That's what we do. This is London again with Bitcoin Spike. I want to shout out to all the VIP. I'm going to tell you, at this point, I would like to see some additional pattern formation. Bottom line, I want to see the additional pattern formation. If you want to jump the gun, if you want to throw the cash around, you're in a rising wedge. Guys, that was a difficult move just now. The fallback feature, I would say, again, would be the Bollinger Bands. Look for that 20 moving average cross. Join that group who's technically trading with tactics on the Bollinger Bands. At least do not be lazy with your entries. Bitcoin will and does, guys, prove to be ruthless to people who are unsuspecting. So be suspecting. Guys, if you're in the green, if you're in a trade and your screen turns green, you have a decision to make. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go through Big Mike. Big Mike, where are you? Big Mike just joined from... Where's he at? I got to notify everybody today. I'm like, we got Big Mike in the house. Big Mike's from the Philippines. What's up, Big Mike? Nice to see you, my man. He's just joined VIP. We're excited to see how he's going to trade with the group. We just loaded him up with New York Institute of Finance materials, etc., what to get, how to do things. We'll get you involved in 100 rounds as well. Make sure you understand leverage. And guys, this is the link to join. If you want to be with the #1 trade group, It's easy. All you need to do is hit the button to join VIP. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Go ahead and once you join, respond to the first pinned tweet. We'd love to have you join our group if you want to beat the market. Real easy. If you want to beat the market, we want to help you beat the market. We want you with our team. Put I am VIP in the first pinned tweet, then that will put you in touch with me. I will put you in the back with the winner's circle, and there is none other than Bill right now. Boom. What's up, Bill? Nice to see you, brother. Bill's also, I think, from the Philippines. What's up, my man? Nice to see you, Bill. Look at Bill. Quality dude, guys. This is VIP. Don't forget the $25,000 short, guys. That $104,000 just busting the racks, guys, quickly and taking in the market. J-Mac again, 158%. Look at Venus on the short, 240%, and look at 510%. Boom. Venus, that's the way you hit it. Way to go, Venus. Impressive. And J-Mac, continually impressive. And welcome again, Big Mike from Philippines. Guys, it's London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll be in the back trading. We'll get some more signals together. We want, guys, we want you to have a good run into Friday. Remember, Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole is going to be a big deal. You guys going to hedge? I think I'm going to try and hedge, guys. We'll talk to you soon. If you don't know what a hedge is, guys, join VIP. We'll talk to you soon. This is London. Congratulations to anyone who may have set that previous trade out. Bam, boom. Just look at this pattern one more time. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch. Guys, look at this. Oh, yes. I would understand. What was it again? Let's listen to it again if we can. How did this go yesterday? You guys know this. Let's listen to this. One out. In spite of the fact, listen, guys, listen. Trader at all who said I'm going to sit this one out. In the process, guys, in the process. Listen up. As resistance, I would not blame any trader at all who said I'm going to sit this one out. That is right. I would not blame any trader who said I'm going to sit this one out. Flat top resistance, ascending line of support, and guys, the majority of the market got hammered today. Look at this. Bam, going long and boom, just crushing them. Congratulations for being a part of the #1 trade group, whether through subscribing, liking, doing what you're doing, or Class A VIP. Guys, this is what we try and do. It's what we do, guys. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.